Hey y'all, and welcome to another episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. Now listen, this year's one's going to be just a little bit shorter than my usual one, largely because it's a small campground. However, it is an Army Corps of Engineers campground, which is known for being beautiful, spacious, and very affordable. So y'all follow me. I'll show you around. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. I wanted to tell you guys about this great app too, RV Parky. What a wonderful app to go find campgrounds all over this great country of ours. And it's absolutely free. Check your Play Store. The beautiful St. Lucie South campground is located in Stuart, Florida, and offers waterfront RV and tent sites, plus cruiser sites for boat campers. For those of you that don't know what the boat camper is, which if I'm being honest, up until about 10 minutes ago I didn't either, boat campers mean you float up into your campsite and hook up. All RV and cruiser sites have 50 amp electrical service as well as water hookups. There is a trailer dump station on site for your convenience and a family-friendly visitor center. There's also a group picnic shelter, a horseshoe pit, and a swing set on site to entertain your family. Also nearby is the Hobie Sound National Wildlife Refuge, which is recommended for visitors who are interested in the many species of birds in the area. The city of Stuart is just up the road with tons of restaurants and shopping. Also, sandy beaches are located on nearby Hutchinson Island, which makes for a fun day trip. Or you can head north on I-95 to Fort Pierce, Florida, which is the home to the National Navy SEAL Museum. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here trainer rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this trainer rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. The usual rules and warnings apply to this campground. Pets are welcome as long as they're well behaved and kept on a lead no longer than 6 foot. Do not leave them alone in your camper, tent, or boat, and for the love of all things holy, please clean up after your pet. Do not move firewood. Buy your firewood as close to this location or from the park itself. Also understand, this is an inland river, which could mean alligators. So please be careful and never ever approach an alligator. The types of camping sites available here are standard electric, tent only non-electric, boat in as I mentioned before, group shelter with electric, and also available as mooring and day use facilities. We got any hikers out there? I bet we do. You can hike the St. Lucie Nature Trail on the north side of the canal, or you could spend the day fishing and boating on the St. Lucie Canal and the South Fork of the St. Lucie River. This park features plenty of amenities that you may find useful. There are accessible flush toilets and showers. There are boat ramps, boat slips, and boat trailer parking as well. Like I said, this does have a dump station. You can also enjoy your afternoon at the old horseshoe pit or the playground or a picnic table for that matter, and all the sites have fire pits, electricity, grills, and lights. Each site also features full water hookup and electricity hookup. There's also a lean-to shelter you can rent, as well as a barbecue. Also of importance, you might want to know that you can only stay in this campground for up to 14 nights, and you may only pay for up to 4 reservations at one time within the same credit card transaction. And as of right now in 2022, the rates range anywhere from $20 for a non-electric tent site all the way up to $35 for a group shelter electric site. Also, should you be in possession of a Golden Age Pass or a Federal Access Pass, you will find yourself with a hefty discount at this place. Well, that's going to about do it for this episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. If you're just looking for a good, quiet place that's affordable and out of the way, well, I don't think you're going to beat St. Lucie South. Well, listen, y'all go on out there and be nice to one another. I sure love y'all, and until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.